Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So how's everybody doing today? Doing well and staying safe, I hope. So today I have a box of yarn here from Herrschners. Now I like Herrschners a lot if you've never bought from them. I personally have never had a problem with them. I've never had to contact customer service. They've always sent me everything that I've ordered and it always comes in a timely manner. So I can't complain, and they have some really good deals sometimes. So I do frequent their site and watch for deals and stuff. But I did have one of my YouTube friends here email me and tell me, actually a couple of them, about some new bags that they had. They have some called ugly bags and then some Christmas bags. So if you know anything about me, I'm a Christmas yarn fanatic. I love any type of Christmas yarn. I mean, I absolutely love Christmas yarn. I got some strange addiction to Christmas yarn. Well, anyways, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you. I bought multiples so we could see if the ugly bags are like the same, if it is what they show in a picture, or if it's different or whatnot. That way you can decide if it's something that you would be interested in getting or not. Let me bring up Herrschners. Sorry, I should have already had it brought up. And I'm going to open up this box. I think I also got some more of their mill-ins, because the ones I got last time were pretty good. I think I got 5 more bags of them. They didn't, they had them for like $7, I think. But I did get a 20% coupon code. I think it was 20% from, someone sent me one. So all this yarn I got, I think 20% off. Could have been 25, I can't remember. But let's bring up their bags and see what we got here. Yarn value packs. Okay. It's so much fun and it's so exciting. Herrschners big sale. Alright, I'll look at that later. Okay, so I didn't get... Okay, so they have the ugly bags. They're called ugly bags. Ugly yarn bag. And then they have for $19.99, and they have 2 that you can choose from, and I don't know if it's, we're going to see if it's the same yarn that's in the pictures. I think each one comes with 7 balls, and then they have a 2-pack. You could get ugly yarn bag number 1 and ugly yarn bag number 2 for $29.98. So you save $10 if you buy them both at the same time, if you buy the 2-pack. So I bought the 2-pack, 2 of the 2-packs, so I can see if they were the same or not. So let's look and see. Here is ugly yarn bag number 1. Okay, so I guess they call it, I don't know why they call it an ugly yarn bag. I guess they think the yarn that's in it is ugly. Well, I like all yarns, and this seems to be pretty much what is in the picture. Well, pretty close to it. Let's see, I got another one here. I bought 2. Okay, so these are both ugly yarn bags number 1, and they are both identical. And show you what they come with. Shoot, my camera back a bit. My head's getting chopped off. So the picture shows some scrubby yarn, Red Heart scrubby. It does come with what the picture shows. It comes with some 2-ply Herrschners Afghan yarn. Ball of that. I don't think that's ugly. Herrschners. This is no ugly yarn bag. It comes with another one, another color. I love this color. It's like pea color, like the pea, the vegetable. I like it. Or an asparagus color. And it comes with suds and scrub. And a Red Heart Huga. Love this. I have some of this here. This isn't ugly. Come on now. This stuff's really cool. Sundance Sweets. Look at that bright color. This actually glows in the black light. I have it and it will glow into the black light. And then it comes with, this is Sundance Sassy Spray. It's kind of, it's like a velvet type yarn, or polyester Premier Parfait fill-in type yarn. Soft and squishy. So that's what the Herrschners Ugly Bag number 1 comes with. 7 balls. Remember, if you buy that single, it's $19.99, but if you buy a 2-pack, it's $29.99. And the 2-pack comes with this bag and this bag, this Herrschners Ugly Yarn Bag. I don't know why you call them Ugly Yarn Bag. Number 2. And let's see if it's the same yarns that's in the picture. Yes, it is. And I don't consider any of them ugly at all. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of the scrubby yarn, but it's still, that is pretty. I like that. So you get 2 of the Afghan yarns again in this one. 2 different colors here. Same ones they show in the picture. Now, I don't know if it's always going to be the same ones that it shows in the picture. It said, I don't know. But mine are. So, yeah, here's another Afghan yarn that's in the picture. So you got 3 of those. So this is a fashion yarn. Whatever the difference is, they kind of look similar, but. And the Soho Classic, I have a couple balls of this exact same color here already. I like it. It's beautiful. Very pretty. Oh, and you got some fur yarn. I like fur yarn. It's novelty, but this is called Fur Comfort Northland. Might be a Herrschners brand. I don't know. Pretty. Fur is good to go around anything like hats or whatever you want to put it around, you know. Jackets, sleeves. This is Red Heart Fur. I like that one. Pretty purple. And one more. Herrschners Cheerful DK Yarn. So yes, this, I got the exact ones that were in the picture for the Ugly Bag number 2. And I got 2 of those. And those are the exact same. So mine came with the exact same yarns that the picture shows. Like I said, whether yours does, I have no idea. But I don't think that's too bad of a deal, actually. If you buy number 1 and number 2 together for $30, it's $15 a bag. 7 balls in each bag. I don't know. It's not bad. It's fun for the fun, I guess. For the sake of fun. Okay. Let me move this over here and I'll show you some more stuff here I got. Okay, then I got the Christmas bag. Because I like Christmas stuff. Oh, it's got some embroidery floss in it. I can use that for sewing stuff up, I guess. Okay. Now I can't find it. Okay, so the Christmas bag is $12.99. And I bought 2 of these to see if they were the same. And it is what they show in the picture. It says, have yourself a stitchin' Christmas. I like that. I like that. So it comes with a ball of their worsted 8 yarn. If you've never had this, I have this in color already. It's 100% acrylic 4-weight yarn. It's similar to Red Heart Super Saver. And the 8 means that there's 8 ounces of it there. I believe there's close to 500 yards. Yeah, 489 yards in that ball. And then you got, appears to be the same color in the worsted 3. So this is the same thing, except for there are 183 yards of a 4-weight, 3 ounces and 8 ounces. And then you got Herrschners 2-ply Afghan yarn. So this would be a number 2-weight yarn there, Christmas yarn. I don't have that. Craft cotton. I do have this. I have a lot of Christmas. This is a 4-weight, 100% cotton. It doesn't feel too bad, but if it was me, I'd probably use it for stuff in the kitchen, you know, like wash rags or table coasters, or, you know, placemats and stuff like that for Christmas decor. And then it comes with some Christmas size 10 cotton thread. I don't have this because I don't like cotton thread, but it's still pretty because it's Christmassy. And then it comes with 4 things of this embroidery floss, I guess, which would be coming really handy, I think, during Christmas for decorations and whatnot. It's shiny. I like it. I could use that for stuff. Even though I don't do too much embroidery, I probably wouldn't use it for embroidering. Maybe on my crochet or something. I don't know. But it came with 4 of those. So that's what you get for $12.90. Did I say 99? Yeah, 99 in their Christmas bag. So I got 2 of those because I wanted to see if they were going to be the exact same and be what their picture showed. And they are. So there's the other one. And then I said I got some more of their mill-ins. 1 pound mill-ins assortment. They were $7.99, so $8 is what I paid for them. Well, I got 25% off, or 20% off my order. One of the 2. Oh, they're all the same. They're all the same. Okay. Well, I got, how many did I say again? I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 bags of this. 5 balls of pink. Well, I'm going to slit one open and see how she feels. There's no label on it, but I would imagine it's 100% acrylic. That's what they say on the website. Feels okay. Kind of like Red Heart with Love or something like that. It's a 4-weight, I believe. I'll hold it up and let you take a guess at it. So that is what I got. Doesn't feel bad. I think it'd make good baby stuff or whatever if you like pink. But I got an awful lot of it. 5 bags, 5 balls each. Oh, looking the same, pretty much. Yeah. So, wait a minute. I might have got 2 different colors of pink. Let me look. I did. I got 2 different colors of pink. So I got, yeah, they're pretty similar, but if you look close, you can see that they are a little bit different in color. Not much. This one's a little more lighter or pinkier than the other one. But, so I got 2 bags like this. No, 3 bags, like, I can't tell. I don't even know what I got. I got a bunch of pink. Alright. I don't know. You know, I bought this with the intentions of showing everybody what came in Herrschners bags and then giving it away. I don't know if you want it, considering that it has so much pink in it. But if you are interested, I am going to give it away. So you get the you get the 25 balls, or the 5 packs of 5 pinks. Remember, there are 2 different colors of pinks in the 5, so, or in the 5 packs. So maybe you can, I don't know. So there's that. And then you get, I'll give away my Christmas yarn because honestly I have most of this and I don't need any more yarn, really, honestly. So you'll get 2 bags of Christmas yarn. which I really have a hard time parting with, but since I have all of it pretty much except for this one, and I don't want the thread, I'll throw those two in there too. And then you get these ugly bags, which I honestly don't think are ugly at all. So there's these two are the exact same. I think they have nice yarn in them. And you get these two, which are the exact same. So this is what you'll win in this giveaway if you are interested in it. What do you think? Do you want it? Well, if you do, I'll tell you what you have to do to try to win it. You need to make sure you read the rules in the description box. Hopefully you watched my video from start to finish. I always appreciate that, because by doing that, that helps me be able to keep giving away yarn to and blessing other people. So subscribe and like this video, and share it if you can. Read the rules in the description box. It's going to start today, which is 5/27/2021. What are the 31 days this month is in there? 27, right? Okay. Let's make it end on the June 1st. June 1st. It's going to be over at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, I won't put giveaway into the title of the video, so it will probably have a lot less entries than usual. And then you have to leave a comment in the comments section. So I don't want you to write anything about a giveaway. Don't say thanks for the giveaway or anything like that. Tell me, include the word, leave me a sentence so you know, if some people just go to the comments and they see giveaway and they just enter it, and for sometimes I do secret giveaways for the hardcore bod followers. So don't put giveaway in your comment. Leave me a sentence using the word Christmas. And then if you whatever you want to say, just make sure Christmas, the word Christmas, is in your comment. I don't care what you say. And then I'll randomly choose a winner. And then as long as the winner has the word Christmas in their comment, they'll win. Sorry about that loud truck. Okay? So that's it. Make sure you're subscribed, like, share if you can. Check me out on Instagram if you can. Not mandatory. Read the rules. Comment in the comment section of this video. Don't say anything about it being a giveaway. Just leave me something that with the word Christmas in it. Not just Christmas. Just like a little sentence or a little saying with whatever. Just something with the word Christmas in it. I know it's silly, but it's fun. So I will see you guys. I'll draw for this on the 1st at 7 p.m. I'll see you guys then. Well, I'll see you before then because I have other videos coming out. But for this particular unboxing, I'll see you then again on the 1st, okay? Bye, guys. I hope you like all that pink yarn. I mean, it's pretty, but it's a lot of pink. Sure would be good for donations and stuff. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Love you guys, okay? Bye, guys. Stay safe, okay? Hey, I don't have a tutorial for this hat. I bought it at Walmart like 3 years ago. Okay, bye.